Yeah, good morning, guys. I'm here at Costco, and I'm meeting up with my daughters. Yeah, one wants to go to Costco and IKEA, and one just wants to follow along to Costco before she goes to work. And the other one's got a day off work today. Yeah, that's my daughter Hope. She got the day off today. Take it easy, bloke. Someone's trying to open up the door really wide. I bang into my car. Yeah. Yeah. How's everyone's day been, huh? Yeah, I just arrived. So I'm meeting them here. So I don't know if they're here yet. I told them 10 o'clock. Be here at 10. So I'm just going to go out and see if they're here. Okay, there I go. You all know. It's a beautiful day today. Beautiful. I'm here at Marsden Park, Costco. Yeah, and there's not that many people here today. Right now anyway. But later, this place is usually chock-a-block. Chock-a-block, chock-a-block. Anyway, I better go and find them if they're here. Oh, hey. They probably haven't even left. They're probably still at home. You know, kids are their time. Time waits for no one. Time waits for no one. Oh, I think I can see their car. Okay, better go. Okay. My bag. Our bag, same. Mother's bags. Always heavy. Why? Because we're mothers. Mothers always have a lot of stuff in their bags. So some mothers, I like the mothers that don't carry anything. Good on them. Anyway, I thought I saw my daughter's car. Oh, nah. See? Here at Costco, Marsden Park. Costco's name's all the way up there. Anyway, I'll go wait in the front for them. One daughter's only coming because I can't find my Costco card, so I allowed her to come. See you inside. So I found me a pillow, guys. My first thing in Costco. Look at that. Ooh. No, that's my daughter's one right there. That's my one. It looks like the same, but her one's darker. Maka for your spend. Hey, that's what money is for. Spending. Look. Hello. Me is not masangi. Me is just get the coffee, make it in a cup. No machine needed. Well, except the kettle. So where's Sharon gone? Okay, guys, this is my daughter Hopi. Her name is Hope, and not Hopi. I call her Hopi because it's my baby. Yep, you know where I'm heading? I'm heading to the seafood section. I'm hoping I'll find some king crabs. The king crabs here is not as huge as the one that I see in the American Mukbangs. No. And they don't often have it here in the Costco in Australia. No. Oh no, it's over there. I'm just gonna go to the seafood section to look for me some seafood. Here we go. Okay, salmon. Okay, what's that? Barramundi. Oh, is this New Zealand snapper? Oh, nice size snappers to fry. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna take one. Oh, but then my mum, she doesn't really like bones anymore. You know, back in the days, my mum was champion at sorting out the bones. Oh, a leg of lamb. Leg of lamb. That's what I've been wanting for a few days now. leg of lamb. Okay, what should I do? What should I do? Okay, I'm gonna get me a lamb. I think, how many is here? They're really small. I've got a big family. Oh, I should still get it. No, they're lamb shanks. Excuse you. I thought it was lamb roast. No, leg of lamb. Oh yeah, here we go. There's not even a whole lamb. Okay, these ones are good. They're not as fat. Because some has got a lot of fats on it, so that's like you're buying a few kilos of. Well, I should take some of this so I can cook it for my mukbang. Oh, I like this one. Oh, this one looks meaty. Yes. This one. Where's the long? Hang on. I like the one with some blubber on it. Right. Because once it cooks down, so, you know. Oh, look at this one. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Yeah, I'll get this one. Now, where's my Charlie gone? Where's my Charlie gone? Oh, there she goes. She's inside the freezer. Oh, look at these lovely cakes. Ooh la la. Yum. I wish it was my birthday. Okay, let's go find my daughter. She's wandering around in there. Oh, guess what, guys? Costco has the best lamington. Moist, beautiful, yummy. Where's our trolley? Where's our trolley? Oh. My other daughter, Hope, Sharon. It's out.
Oh, so you're out, your trolley?
Yes.
Wait, well, how much is those cushions?
25.
Mate.
That's, Hope's got the better one because it's like full. My one's like bare in the middle. Like bare, right? Yeah, but look at Hope's one.
They're different colours, eh?
Yeah.
I was walking past, I'm like, whose trolley's that? I want to touch it.
So,
oh my gosh, you should get your tyres here.
Yeah, I will. I will.
It's so good. Like, they're doing a rotation, a pressure, air pressure, it's all free when you buy the tyres.
Oh, what? Oh, my next...
Rotating the tyre, fixing the spare tyre, and it's all free.
My next one. Don't worry.
What about your new car?
Yeah, my next tyres. I'll get it all done there.
And it's under $400.
Look at the strawberry Hope got. Where does he get these strawberries, Hope? Okay, off I go. I'm going to get me some strawberries. Can you notice how fast I'm walking? Yes, I want to get to those strawberries. Oh, it's so freezing in here, guys. Freezing. Oh, yum. Look how big they are. All you have to do is get some chocolates, melt it. Are you going to get you a pillow?
Are you going to get I don't know. Are you going to get Lamington?
Oh, yes.
I got it.
Get us a lamington. Oh, yum, big strawberries. Look at that. Look. Family pack. Are you sure it's not Faye only pack? This mine. Hey. Look at that one. That ugly one. Had to kill my beautiful choice. Yep, get the lamington. You guys can take some. Look at me trying to mix my... Okay. Oh, okay. We'll have... My half will be in the
that's what
back.
I wanted to ask you. You know the ribs you made? Where did you buy it?
Ribs?
Did you buy it seasoned or no?
No, I made it myself.
Oh, you a chef or what?
Oh, chef on my back. Yeah. No, I got the ribs from... can't remember. I know I never got it here because I hardly buy here. Sharon, Hello, push the choppy. She's trying to drink her coffee. Thank you. Yeah, come on then. Oh, look at these green apples. Do you know when I was a child, teenager, I used to love picking up, but someone would take Hope's nice pillow. Ka whea ako a little story, eh? Anyway, did anyone bring tissues? Yes, it's in my bag. Searching my bag. I really like your pillow, Hope. I think I might take my pillow back and swap it for one that's puffy like Hope's. This one's got a someone karate that right in the middle.
Where is the artwork to change it?
Can you get that colour, please?
Yeah, where is it?
It's right in the beginning. Oh, good thinking, 99. And here I go, stuff up the whole trolley.
Oh, what?
Okay. Okay. I have to not buy so much shopping these days because I've been doing naughty stuff and spending too much. Look at this. If you have a family, right, big family function, you just come and buy this. But then when you look at the price, you walk away. You do the moonwalk and walk away. These are really nice moist chicken. Moist chicken. Should I get us a chicken? The thing is, the kids always waste it. They never eat it. Oh, prawns. How old are these prawns? What should I can do something with these prawns. Okay. Okay, I'll get this one. I'll toss these in something. Oh, which is your one? Yeah, yours is in the front. Mine is at the back. I come here to look for mukbang stuff. That's why I'm here. Oh, you got some oranges. You love oranges, eh? Mm-hmm. Where's Sharon Lee? Oh, yeah. Going to get my pet. Oh. Excuse me. I'll just get some of this. This is really nice. I think I might make a dinner with this today. It's really, really got the flavour and everything in it. But what am I going to eat it with? Rice. Just fry it with some zucchini or something. Oh, she might be looking for us, eh? Oh, she'll find us. I don't know. I think it'll be cheaper in the other shops. But look at this one. 16, that's not too bad. That one there, 16. That is cheaper here today. Oh, 17. Oh, that's for the little one. That's what you suit, these little ones. But then it's got these ones you might not want. Oh yeah, well get it. Because these are 17. And what's good, that's the right size for you because you don't drink that much. Or eat that much. Do I need bread? I don't know if I should get bread. I might take it, no one eats it. I tell you guys, my kids are useless at eating. I love this kind of bread, but that's a bit hard for my mama's teeth. Okay. Think wisely, think wisely. Think wisely. Oh, yeah, oh, here they are. Oh, yeah, oh, yes. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Oh, these would be nice for sandwiches. Yeah. Oh, your shopping's piling up. Mine is too. So I need vegetables for that. Oh, you got that one instead. Oh, that looks puffy. Cool. Okay. You want one? Yeah, sorry. Me and Hope first.
You don't even have a bed.
Yes?
I don't care. Where would we put it under?
Yeah, over here, on the side. Just put it on the side. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It will fit.
I'm not saying that.
Oh, no, that's quite a nice colour. Yours is more greyish, eh, Hope?
Yeah, that one's
Oh.
a nice colour. So it's lighter.
Oh, you picked good. That is really, Hope is puffier than your one now.
It's like I get one, I get into a fight when I get home, or
Oh, don't get into a fight.
huh?
Hey, Hope, you don't fight, Hope. Hey, Hope. Tell her. No, I'm saying. No, why would you get into a fight? That's worth it. Anyway, can you push the trolley now?
Worth it, but it's that or pay fine.
Oh. Anyway, push that trolley now. Here goes my daughter again with her, I didn't get paid to. Oh. I gotta get one of these. Guess what we're having today? Yeah, garlic bread.
That doesn't even fit in your oven.
Actually, I can make it myself.
Yeah, you make it better.
Oh, okay. Oh, I now just passed the garlic bread stuff. Okay.
What's that? Naan. What's that?
What is it? Oh, yeah. Yum. Actually, I need butter. Yeah, I'll just throw this one. I'll just put...
Yeah, we bought butter for price yesterday. I'm not joking, because we needed it that bad as we pay for price.
Okay. Oh, look at this. Yes, we are. Let me admire this. Oh, my gosh. Did you hear my... Oh, nearly constipated. Nice. This for outside kitchen. Nay. Okay. Has she put anything in the trolley yet? Yeah. Do you know I took their cheese home and I forgot to eat it?
No, you left it it was in the boot for a whole day.
Really? Oh, okay.
That was expensive cheese.
Okay. Who has a blender? Have a strawberry smoothie with ice cream and yogurt. Ooh. Do you have a blender at home? Oh.
We got no money in the bank.
Oi.
Oh, she's almost finished with you and the other dish. Oh my gosh, can't wait.
Yeah, there needs to be freedom.
Money.
Freedom. Oh, so anyway, as I was saying about my plates, I'll add that into my plates if we were to do one. Yes. Oh, Sharon Lee, you have no idea. You just make a lovely salad with corn in it. What's this? Mixed fruit chips. When Dad gets his tax. This time I keep an eye on it. Oh, look at these.
Oh, Dad's tax is coming again.
Look.
No, the other one's better. The other brittle thing. Wait, Dad's tax is coming again.
This is nice. Oh, no, don't. Oh, I can't. I was thinking me and my mama, but yeah, our teeth were brittle and fall off. Hey, look, they got boneless ribs, but I'm making me my own ribs. Yeah, it's got a bone in it. Oh, hang on. Should I get a lasagna? I'm going to take this lasagna for my kids and try it out. Oh, there's macaroni in here. Macaroni. Oh, Sharon Lee. Yeah. Fakat. Hang on. Leave that there. I'm going to get the lamington.
I think I'm supposed to use it if it's stuck.
I think when you close it, oh my. Oh. Okay, I've got to get this lamington out. These are the best lamington, guys. The best. Ooh.
Get that on cocktail.
Yeah, I'm going to do something for my mukbang. You know, I saved some prawns, right, for Desiree. This is how my brain is sometimes. I saved some prawns for Desiree. Remember that time you said, oh, when did you do that? You know, the seafood one? And I had like a dozen prawns, those king prawn things, for Desiree in the fridge. And I just found it last night. What happened?
Chicken naan.
Is it just a naan or got butter chicken inside it? Inside?
Put it in the oven and then it comes out hot.
Oh, get it. We'll try it out. Yeah, come on.
And this can fit in your freezer.
Oh, yeah.
In your oven.
Oh, it might be good. Come on, come on. Oh. Yeah, but don't worry. We'll just take that. Everything might come tumbling down. Oh, well, you can have some at home. Take some from that box. Oh, spring rolls. Oh, I like that, but listen, look. Oh, wonton, prawn. Yeah. Should we take some? Take some. Get us a box, please. Get us a box. We'll try it out. It might be good. Don't fall inside, please. Oh, look at that. Oh.
6 bowls of noodles.
6 bowls. Okay. Well, there's 3 of us. We can have 2 each. Hope, you wanna? Look at it. You can have 2 each. Prawn and ginger. What about that one?
Sausages are good from here.
Ah, yeah. There. Right. Should we get some of these? You get 30 pieces. Oi, whamamole. Yes, please. That's what I'm after. See, I was going to buy some buns too. You know, just a quick dinner. Yeah, I'll take 2. Oh, Ben likes these. Poor Ben. Yeah, I know. Hey, isn't it meant to be Hope's day today? Hope you go and... Yeah, I know, but look at us just walking off us, and the reason why we're here, because Hope wanted to come and do some shopping. Hope, take your time. Oh, I'm just following you. Get my name's wrong. Cholora. Yeah. Do you guys want some little juices? Look, organic apple juice. Oh, yes, please. I want butter. What about little strawberry milks? Oh, you know what? I'm going to get... For the kids. They don't want strawberry milk. It's good for my son. Good for Noah. Do you know Devondale makes this, so it's not rubbish.
You know, you can buy normal milk and just buy the...
Quicks. Yeah, but nah, it's right.
How much is that?
I don't know, 16. Yeah. Yeah, okay. It's $16.
Expensive.
No, it's not. And you get how many inside? Hope, you can take some of that. Have you got your little fridge? Have you got a little fridge in your room? Oh, you can put it in this. Your fridge isn't so. Oh, that little one. You gave it away to who? Has Noah got it? Oh.
But that's a bit Swift black line.
You gave it away. But you gotta get a pillow. Oh, yeah. So do I.
It's way worth it.
So.
You know, a normal pillow is about 25. That's a...
And how much is that? That's 25 too.
Yeah, like, but a normal body pillow with nothing special about it is 25.
Extra. Yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, thank you for finding them.
A big thing of that and buying your own one.
Yeah, but no one likes chocolate. They want strawberry.
That's
Yeah, if there was a strawberry one, of course. How much is this one? Grandma likes mine. What about when I tricked Grandma? I said, Grandma, do you want coffee? And she said, I said, I'm telling you, Jesus. Little milks. Hey, where you want to go? Just tell us and we'll go your way. Oh, you know, these used to be in New Zealand. Have you had breakfast? Where are we going to have breakfast? We're going to IKEA after the scene. Oh, they're not ugly, they're beautiful. They are not gross. They're only $16. Wait. Stop it. You know the socks here?
Should we go down all the aisles or?
Oh, I don't know. Wherever Hope wants to go, that's where we're going. Where Hope? That's all. That's all your stuff. Well, think what you had planned last night to come and get. Anyway, guys, have a good quick look around. Oh, sorry. Okay. First time I go and spin the camera and hey-oh. Look at me, guys. I'm sitting at my outdoor setting. Look at that. So beautiful. And the chairs are these kind of chairs. And the price is $1,500. Oh, I see Sharon's found herself a chair. Oh, that's nice. Rock and roll. Oh, cool. How much is that? Oh, you don't even want to go back inside. And look at that one. This one's no good for us, Hope. Me and you are just shorties. We'll need a little step ladder up, huh? Yeah. Oh, and it's comfortable. Beautiful. Look at my spinning around, wrecking the chair. But I'm not trying to do that. I'm just showing you guys how lovely it is. And that's the price. You know, you get your tax, you just spend it on this. Especially when you're, you know, when you're single, you don't have a family, but you got a lot of friends to entertain. You just come and get this. And Bob's your auntie. Are you sure it's fire? Oh yeah, it's a fire thing. Yeah. Can you barbecue on it? If you can barbecue on it, of course it's a good bargain. Oh, so this glass protects the fire when it comes up. So I guess you can do, what is it, that thing that you do? Marshmallows on a stick. That's comfortable, cheers.
Are we going?
No, it's up to Hope. Hope's probably got shop. Wow, are you over at Hope? See? What? This is the thing that my daughter said, Mom, if you go tomorrow, can you buy, so I'm going to get it.
All of it?
Yeah, I'll just get it. How much is this? No, it's, waiting on a kingy. Okay.
Mum, she only gets the two big ones that are in there, not the whole thing.
Because, yeah, the other one broke.
She only needs this one.
Yeah, well, you guys can take some, because that's command. You can pull it off when you don't need it. Hey, would you want some of these? See? Oh, maybe this is good for Grandma. Effia. This is good for Grandma. Keeps her mind occupied. Yeah, she's got colouring and sorting out stuff. What is that one? Yeah, okay. Yeah, but that's still my pillow you picked.
Yeah, I found another one like that. I left it on top.
Okay, go before someone gets it.
But are we leaving? I'm gonna grab it right
Hey, are you finished? You sure? See?
now. Grandma.
You killed it. You know, I said to myself the other day, what did I say to myself, Karen? I said to myself, I will only have 2 bags limit to do my shopping. No more random buying. And look what I go and do. Okay. We gotta go to get Sharon a pillow. Sharon Lee, go get your pillow then. Okay. Yeah. Look, I'll pay for it. I'll pay for it and then I'll yeah, I'll pay for it and then you give me the money after. Yeah. Are you sure you're finished? Okay. Yeah, I know, it's supposed to be you and me day, but then I lost my card. And then I thought I'd take her. But I didn't even know that you can replace your card for free. Otherwise... Okay, good thinking, 99. Oh, thank you. Oh, card.
Three of these. The orange springs. I just need to remember that.
Yeah, I got it.
This one is buy one get all.
Oh, really? Oh, I wasn't looking.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Buy one, get one free. Yeah, straight down. It's straight down. All the way down near the end. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. See, that's what happens when I don't read things, eh? Otherwise I would have seen it.
That's big of eggs. It doesn't say buy one get one free, so no one really notices. Are they with the second one too?
Yes, she already mentioned to the girl that we got
did she?
free.
Okay, no
Yes.
So you want me to do subtotal for you?
Yeah, the first one is for the other daughter.
145 that you want for the first one.
Yeah.
So I'll do the second one now.
Yes, please.
You can put in the top of this one if you want. For me, time. Is she gonna get the same thing?
Yes, she's gonna go and look for it. She's probably lost. I told her straight down. Okay, she's already stressed now. Stop it. Yeah, she's stressed out, swearing and everything. Oh. I said straight down all the way down to the end. And now she's lost. Okay, I just paid for the...
So, the first one? You just paid the first one or all of it?
Yeah, I just paid for all of it and then we'll sort it out.
This one now?
Yes,
Is it
please.
the same thing she's gonna get the same?
Well, yeah, well I told her straight. And I can't see her, she's probably lost.
No worries, that's fine.
Okay, I'll pay for the lot. Yeah, even if...
$421.80. Thank you.
Okay.
It's ready. That's your bill. Yep.
Oh.
Put on my calendar.
Yeah, no.
Anything, please.
Okay, no pen.
Okay, $1.30 and 40.
That's the first one, the highlighted one.
Okay, thank you very much. So we have to take out the pillows. Because when she sees it, she's going to have a... oh, thank you, Hopi. Thanks. Yeah, so our pillows accidentally got charged on your, but I'll send you the money.
$31. I thought you said they're $25.
They are 25, I hope. But see the minus? Feel the minus.
Oh, the minus 18.
Yeah. And then it comes to 18.
Okay, run down.
Really? It came to $18?
No, that's the discount is 18 on all three. So yeah, 25.
Oh, yeah.
Are we going IKEA? You should do IKEA first. You've got whole stuff.
No, because I thought I needed your card, and then me and Hope can just get rid of you, and then we'll go and do our IKEA. So, Hope, do you want to eat here or IKEA? You're not they're hungry. Oh.
Okay, IKEA.
Okay, let's go IKEA. Oh well. Yeah, that's where everyone comes to eat. Guys, there's spaces right now, but usually there's no space at all.
Travel on the same road because 1, 2, 3, all three of you've got a nail people. Like all the cars that are lined up together.
Even you?
Yeah, me too.
What?
On the same road, all the nails
Oh,
My tire has 2 nails.
I better go and check. Did someone purposely do it? I gotta go and check my one. Oh, where's that? Where's that? Oh, yeah. That's what it's there.
I think that's for like umbrellas. Just saying.
What's for umbrellas? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gotta be a short umbrella.
Stuff to store.
Okay, hang on. Okay, here we go.
Can you send me some lasagna? I mean lasagna.
Hey, where's the docket?
In there.
Okay. Where? Ifea.
Trolley.
In the trolley.
I don't know. One, what is yours? Is it yours?
Yes. No, that's Hope's. Oh, there. Right. Hope. Hope.
Did you eat the candy possession?
Yeah.
Mate, nice, eh?
Take away. So this is what the docket came, but it's minus 3 pillows. No, free, Sharon. See, 3 times, pillows. Yeah, it's all right. So minus 18. Okay. How much do you think your shopping costs, Hope?
Oh, do you want me to do it right now? Don't you know how to calculate?
I can calculate, lady. I just want to see if her guess is
It's pillow, yeah.
it's mine. Get lost.
Don't worry. Get lost!
No, Sharon. Don't.
I don't appreciate it. Like, but the tire. Oh, okay, you can have it.
Yeah, okay. Okay, take it.
Oh, get lost.
Go. This is my pillow. Okay. See you guys at IKEA.
I've got no car.
What? Is my tire flat?
I'm fixing it.
So what happened? Oh, I should be ready by now.
No, it's not going to be ready till 12. Because there's cars in front of me.
Wow, right.
Stuff in the backseat.
Okay, you bought your license. Can you drive, please? Thank you, love.
You're about to drive there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, help your sister. Yeah, we'll put it in the back seat.
Okay, take your time.
No, she's reversing on that one.
Oh, should I put the pillows in the back?
Yeah, you put yours at the back. Hey, keep an eye on her. She might steal my pillow. Don't steal my pillow. No, that was on purpose.
Okay, these are Hope, me and Hope's pillows.
Oh, nice oranges, Hope. Oh, why didn't I listen to you, Hope? Why didn't I follow you? Oh, you got those nice big sweet ones. Yeah.
Mum,
Yeah.
get used to it.
Yeah, yeah.
But you're gonna drive.
Okay then. Sharon Lee.
I'll record for you.
Okay. That's what. Oh, I'll take
Yeah,
this.
take that, 'cause it's got the tyres on it and stuff like that.
Okay, okay. Far out, Sharon. I could have been recording.